How to set up a works cited page in MLA format on Google Docs. So first off is to set up your font size and your font style. So the most commonly used font style is the Times New Roman in size 12. Click this drop-down arrow button and select Times New Roman. Then click on this plus icon to increase the font size. Then the line and paragraph spacing should be in double. So just click this icon, line and paragraph spacing, and select double. Now before anything else, check the margins of your page, which should be set to 1 inch. So to do that, just go to File, head over to Page Setup, and then under Margins, make sure that these margins are set to 1 inch, and then click OK. Moving on, click Insert, and then highlight Headers and Footers, and select Header. Then click this icon, Align, and select Right Align. So don't forget to change the font style and font size. Now enter your last name, and then space, and then insert the page number. To do that, just go to Insert, highlight Page Numbers, and select the first option. Then click anywhere below Header to close this section. Now the first line of the page should consist of your first and last name. Create a new line and type in your professor's name, and another line for the course name, and then the due date of the paper. Then hit Enter. Now click the Align icon and select Center for the title of your paper. So make sure you follow proper capitalizations. Capitalize all words except for prepositions, conjunctions, and articles. Create a new line, click on the Align icon, and select Left Align. So this is where you start your paragraph. Now remember that all throughout the paper, the alignment of the paragraph should be left aligned, and that the start of every paragraph should have an indentation. So to do this, just highlight the paragraphs, and then go to Format, head over to Align and Indent, select Indentation Options. Under Special Indent, click the drop-down arrow button and select First Line. So make sure that this is 0.5 and then click Apply. Now you can see the indentions in every paragraph. As for the citations used in the paper, it is placed in a different page. So to create another page, all you have to do is go to Insert, head over to Break, and select Page Break. Now you've created a new page. Click this Align icon and select Center. Now type in Works Cited, hit Enter, and then click this Align icon again and select Left Align. Now paste all of your citations. Remember that when placing your citations, it has to be in an alphabetical order. Another thing with citations is that it has to have the hanging indent feature. To do that, just highlight all of your citations, go to Format, highlight Align and Indent, select Indentation Options, and then under Special Indent, click this drop-down arrow button and select Hanging. Make sure that this is 0.5 and then click Apply. Now as you can see, you will notice the hanging indent feature. And so that is how you set up a works cited page in MLA format on Google Docs. Thank you and have a great day.